Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of turmeric root and its incredible potential as a natural immune-supporting anti-inflammatory. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly found in kitchens around the globe, has been celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine. Its active compound, curcumin, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a superstar in the realm of health and wellness. As we navigate through our busy lives, maintaining a robust immune system is more important than ever. Turmeric not only helps in reducing inflammation but also plays a crucial role in enhancing our body's natural defenses. With rising interest in holistic health, many people are turning to natural remedies like turmeric to support their overall well-being. In recent years, turmeric has gained immense popularity, appearing in everything from golden lattes to health supplements. This surge in interest is no coincidence. More individuals are seeking alternatives to conventional medicine, looking for ways to incorporate nature's bounty into their daily routines. In this video, we'll explore the myriad health benefits of turmeric, how it can bolster your immune system, and practical tips on how to incorporate this golden root into your diet. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets of turmeric and its role in promoting a healthier, more vibrant you. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a spice derived from the rhizome of the curcuma longa plant, a member of the ginger family. This vibrant yellow root has been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for thousands of years. Its striking color not only adds a beautiful hue to dishes but also signifies its rich nutritional profile. Turmeric is commonly used in cooking, particularly in Indian cuisine, where it lends its warm flavor to curries, rice dishes, and even beverages like chai. Beyond its culinary applications, turmeric has a long-standing history in traditional medicine. It has been utilized for centuries in various cultures, particularly within Ayurvedic practices, where it is revered for its healing properties. In Ayurveda, turmeric is considered a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and is often used to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. The historical significance of turmeric extends beyond the kitchen and medicine. It has also played a role in cultural rituals and ceremonies. In many South Asian cultures, turmeric is used in weddings and religious ceremonies, symbolizing purity and prosperity. As we continue to explore the benefits of turmeric, it's essential to appreciate its origins and the rich traditions that have celebrated this remarkable root. Join us as we delve deeper into how turmeric can enhance your health and well-being. Health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric root is not just a flavorful spice. It is packed with numerous health benefits, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help combat inflammation at the cellular level. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you may help reduce the risk of these conditions and promote overall health. One of the standout benefits of turmeric is its role in supporting immune function. Curcumin has been shown to enhance the body's immune response, making it more effective at fighting off infections and illnesses. This immune-boosting effect is particularly important in today's world, where maintaining a strong defense against pathogens is crucial. Numerous studies have highlighted the health claims associated with turmeric. For instance, research published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that curcumin can significantly reduce markers of inflammation in the body. Another study in the journal Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that curcumin supplementation improved immune response in older adults, showcasing its potential benefits for various age groups. As we continue to explore the health benefits of turmeric, it becomes clear that this golden root is more than just a culinary delight. Its powerful properties can play a vital role in enhancing our health and well-being, making it a worthy addition to any diet. How to incorporate turmeric into your diet? Incorporating turmeric into your daily meals is easier than you might think, and there are countless delicious ways to do so. One popular recipe is golden milk, a soothing beverage made by warming milk, or a dairy-free alternative, with turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and a touch of honey. This comforting drink not only tastes great but also offers a wealth of health benefits. Curries are another fantastic way to enjoy turmeric. Whether you're making a traditional Indian curry or a Thai-inspired dish, adding turmeric can enhance both flavor and nutrition. Simply sauté your favorite vegetables and proteins with turmeric, garlic, and ginger for a vibrant and healthful meal. Smoothies are also a great option for those looking to add turmeric to their diet. A simple blend of banana, spinach, almond milk, and a teaspoon of turmeric can create a nutritious and energizing drink. When using turmeric, it's essential to pair it with black pepper. This combination significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin, making the health benefits even more effective. Just a pinch of black pepper can make a world of difference. Don't hesitate to experiment with turmeric in both savory and sweet dishes. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, mix it into oatmeal, or even use it in baked goods like muffins and pancakes. The versatility of turmeric allows you to get creative while reaping its health benefits. Potential side effects and considerations. While turmeric is widely regarded as a safe and beneficial spice, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and interactions, especially when consumed in large amounts. Excessive consumption of turmeric can lead to digestive issues, such as upset stomach, nausea, or diarrhea. Therefore, moderation is key when incorporating this vibrant root into your diet. If you are currently taking medication, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before significantly increasing your turmeric intake. Turmeric can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, diabetes medications, and drugs that affect liver function. A healthcare provider can help you determine the appropriate amount of turmeric for your individual health needs and ensure that it won't interfere with your current treatments. Incorporating turmeric into your meals can be a delightful and healthful experience, but it's essential to maintain a balanced intake. Aim for a reasonable amount, such as a teaspoon or two per day, to enjoy its benefits without overdoing it. Remember, the goal is to enhance your health and well-being, not to overwhelm your system. By being mindful of your turmeric consumption and seeking guidance when necessary, you can safely enjoy this powerful spice and all the advantages it has to offer. So, embrace turmeric in moderation, and let it be a flavorful addition to your journey toward better health. Conclusion. In summary, turmeric root is a remarkable spice that offers a wealth of health benefits, particularly its immune-supporting and anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound, curcumin, plays a vital role in reducing inflammation and enhancing our body's natural defenses, making turmeric a valuable addition to any health-conscious diet. We've explored various ways to incorporate turmeric into your meals, from delicious golden milk and flavorful curries to nutritious smoothies. Remember, pairing turmeric with black pepper can significantly boost its absorption, maximizing its health benefits. However, it's essential to consume turmeric in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you're on medication to avoid any potential interactions. We encourage you to embrace turmeric as part of your daily routine for better health and well-being. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your culinary journey, there are countless ways to enjoy this vibrant spice and reap its rewards. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about turmeric and its incredible properties. Together, let's spread the word about natural remedies and empower ourselves to lead healthier lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.